Excellent tips to help you make money online. When you wish to make money online, you may be thinking of it because you want to get paid well. It can also just be something you want to do to help you get a few extra bills paid. Whatever the case may be, this video can guide you through this. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure, and see what others have to say about it first. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income, or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Take a look at survey work. There are thousands waiting for your answers right now. Surveys can be a great way to earn money online. Sometimes, their pay isn't that great. But, they can be done in spare moments and the proceeds add up fast. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Are you a good salesperson? Look into becoming an affiliate. In this line of work, you will earn money each time you sell a product that you have agreed to endorse. After joining an affiliate program, you will get a referral link. From there, you can begin selling products, either on your own website or on someone else's site. Don't quit your day job until the online money-making opportunity you're looking into starts paying off. While it could prove to be a jackpot, you don't want to risk being up the creek if it's not what you were hoping for. Always have enough money in the bank for a few months of bills, just to be on the safe side. Getting paid money to work online isn't the easiest thing to do in the world, but it is possible. If this is something you wish to work with, then the tips presented above should have helped you. Take some time, do things the right way, and then you can succeed. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.